Today, Kyle Halvick, one of our senior designers, animators, and directors, will be teaching you how to draw a cartoon elephant. As you watch the steps Kyle takes to make the elephant, it's okay to pause your DVD so you can follow along. Grab a pencil and some paper and find a nice, comfortable place to draw. Kyle starts by drawing a circle shape. Notice that the circle is not perfect. It's okay if your circle is a little lopsided or wobbly. Notice at the bottom of the circle, Kyle has left a space where the line does not connect. The next step is to draw two lines extending down from the space that was left at the bottom of the circle. You want the two lines to pinch closer at the bottom. Draw 5 or 6 short lines between the two big lines. Make the shorter lines horizontal. At the bottom of the two long lines, Kyle is going to connect them with a small triangular shape. The next step is to add ears. Start by making an arcing line that comes out of the circle at the top. The line can come out of the circle and droop down to nearly the bottom of the circle. Connect the drooping line on the bottom of the circle with a wavy line. Repeat these steps on the other side of the elephant's head. You now have a head, a trunk, and 2 ears. The next step is to add some eyes to our elephant. We can make eyes by drawing a short arcing line in the circle just slightly lower than halfway down. Underneath this line, we will add 2 half circles that connect at the top to the short arcing line. Retrace the half circles under the first set of half circles. Add 2 dark dots under the arcing line for pupils. We will add 2 tusks to our elephant by drawing 2 lines that extend out from the side of the trunk. The lines should meet in a point. Repeat this step on the other side of the trunk. Next, we need to draw the body. The body will simply be a very large circle that exists behind the head we have just drawn. Start by making part of the circle under the ears and trunk. Make the top part of the body show above the ears. To add legs to our elephant, we need to draw 3 lines that extend down from the bottom of the body. The lines should all be under the body, but far enough apart to become legs. The next step is to connect the 3 lines extending down from the body with slightly curved lines for the bottom of the feet. Once you have drawn the front legs, you can add back legs by adding 2 more lines extending down from the body to the outside of the front legs. Add the bottom of the feet by drawing shorter arcing lines connected to the outside leg line on the outside edge of the front legs. Toenails can be added by drawing upside-down half circles at the bottom of the legs. Repeat this step at the bottom of each leg. To add a tail, all you need to do is draw 2 short lines extending out from the body in a triangular shape. At the tip of the tail, you can add hair. We finish up our elephant by adding a few little details. 2 small lines extending into the ears make the ears look like they are sticking out of the head. By drawing a wavy line across the elephant's forehead, we can add a circus hat. Draw little circles at the bottom of each point on the hat. By adding 2 short lines on the tusks close to the head, you can make the tusks look like they are extending out from the head. Add 2 small circles at the tip of the tusks. You can add a blanket on the elephant's body by drawing a straight line into the body from the outside edges and then continuing the lines up into the ears. Draw 2 arcing lines across the top of the body to give the illusion that the blanket is really on the elephant. That's how we draw a circus elephant. Remember that if your elephant doesn't turn out the way you want it to, it's okay. It takes practice to get good at drawing. If your drawing doesn't look the way you had hoped it would, simply try to do it again. Each time you draw your elephant, it will get easier. Have fun!